Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is February the 5th, 2021. We're here to give you all an update on Zilliqa. Try to make sure we all get in a position to capitalize on where we're expecting price to be. And we only do that by paying attention to the trap. Now, the trap is the one who controls the price in the market. He moves the price. And once you focus in on what he does on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, you're actually able to predict where price is going to go. And we're going to show you that today for Zilliqa. But before I do, okay, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, you tap that like button, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification, because you don't want to miss out on any of our price predictions that we are creating here on YouTube. Now, you can follow us on our other channel too, HueFin News 2. That's where we cover all our stock price predictions. Head on over to that second channel, subscribe there, and you'll also see our predictions within the stock market. So looking here at Zilliqa, you guys can see that from our last video that we garnered on the 22nd of January, we expected market in Zilliqa to see higher price, right? Because the market was holding this area of support around 6 cents. Cool. We saw that all the way back on the 22nd of January, and that told us, based off what the trap concluded on that particular day, we emphasized that the market in Zilliqa was going to go higher in price, and that is precisely what the market has done. The market went higher. It held that area of support right there around 6 cents. So congratulations if you was able to catch that move. At least 13.99% profitability was taken from the trap and placed right back into our accounts. Now, if you were still into the market now in Zilliqa, I mean, you'll be up about 27, almost 28% if you were to get out right now. So either way it go, dealing with the information that you have current allowed us to foresee where the price was going to be at. It allowed us to anticipate where the trap is going to go. So congratulations if you're able to catch that. Now, let's get in position on this next move. So the market has already confirmed to us that 6 cents is support. Next thing, the market also confirmed to us that the downtrend that was started on the 27th of December, it broke right here on these 3 days. So on the 30th, the 31st of January, as well as the 1st of February, the market in Zilliqa told us something. Let me zoom in. These 3 days, the market told us something. It told us that the downtrend that was created here in December, it broke. So no longer are we looking for the market in Zilliqa to continue to see downward pressure. Not right now. Now you can also tell that instead of us seeing the market in Zilliqa go down, this is our next phase of what we're expecting the market to do. We're literally expecting him to consolidate this market in this range, which is around 6 cents to 9 cents. Okay, we're expecting that now. So let's take this descending line we have and let's go ahead and create it. Okay, let's go ahead and move this. So we need to see where the area of support can likely be at in Zilliqa. Okay, well, not support, I'm sorry, restriction. So let's look at this on a smaller time frame real quick. So looking at this, where do you think the market area of restriction? Now, when I say restriction, I'm simply saying where would you expect to see selling enter the market, right? Because you can see here that there was some restriction around this vicinity. Majority of the market was restricted and moving higher. And then there's a very shallow area around 9 cents, okay? But the majority of these 90-minute price bars, you can find that the market was having issues of breaking above 0.088, okay? So we need to keep that in mind as we see the market in Zilliqa go higher. And looking at Zilliqa on the 3-day time frame, it looks real strong. we got 12 hours and 15 minutes left, and we're definitely seeing the emphasis of Zilliqa showing us strength. We're not seeing any weakness as of this particular moment on the 3-day time frame for Zilliqa. The market definitely looks like it wants to go higher on the 3-day time frame. Same thing on the 5-day time frame. I mean, we have 4 days, 13 hours left, so we cannot be too dependent on this current 5-day price bar. But literally, the last two 5-day price bars, let me zoom in. The last two 5-day price bars, you all can see that the market got inundated with weakness, but we were still able to see the price close above the previous one, which is very positive. Well, lets us know that this whole area here in Zilliqa, the trap is buying. Because if he wasn't buying it, the price would have broken this 6-cent support area. But he didn't do that. So now we understand that for the most part, what we're seeing on these 5-day price bars is the trap buying more Zilliqa at these levels, right? Just to continue to increase the price. Now, the only thing we need to pay attention to is our area of restriction right here around 9 cents. It will fall a little bit lower than 9 cents, so we're not going to say precisely 9 cents is where we would expect to see sellers, okay? But looking at all these different time frames, we're definitely looking at the strength still being revealed into the market in Zilliqa. So we're going to continue to play that strength, and given the prior history into the market, we would expect us to see some selling in or around 9 cents, right? So it's like maybe 8%, 7.85% price movement higher in Zilliqa for where the current market price or last trade was at. Okay. And we're going to hold support right here around 0.073. And I'm going to extend it up here towards 9.5 cents towards the tops of the daily price bar from the 26th as well as the 27th of December. Okay. So we're still going to play the strength into the market in Zilliqa. We don't see a lot of weakness right now on the different time frames. Definitely want to see the trap continue to hold support above 7 cents, because if so, that lets us know that the movement higher is still in play. So now, what do you all see in the market in Zilliqa? We transitioned over from the market being in a downtrend to one trading in a channel. Within that channel, we're looking for the market in Zilliqa to go higher in price. So let us know. What do you think? Are we going to see the price in Zilliqa go higher? Do you think it's going to go lower? Where do you think the price is going to be in the next, week or so, week and a half? Because you need to get in position before the trap takes the price there. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now you know what to do. Trade different.